Hi, this is Wendy Cox, Director of Product Management for Daylight Screen, a brand of Legrand AV. And today at InfoComm 2025, we are showing our brand new Myriad Reveal and Myriad Conceal electric projection screens. So Myriad is a new family or product line of electric screens that is going to replace basically all of the models that we have in our line. And what's really cool about this is that we're using a single platform with Myriad where you can have a screen like this that is recessed into your ceiling, which is called Myriad Conceal, or there's a very similar version that gets mounted to a wall or mounted directly to a ceiling that's called Myriad Reveal. And all of these products have very nice installer-friendly features in that they've got adjustable mounting brackets, very simple hanging solutions, and easy access to all of your wiring that is needed. So with this particular Myriad Conceal, one of the other features that I love is that all of the screens come standard with a closure door now. So when your screen is completely retracted into the housing, this door closes so you have a very clean white finish all the way across the product. So the other huge feature that we are showing on these new products is our SightLine cable drop feature. So SightLine replaces that old traditional black drop. So with this product, we've got 3 cables that attach the screen surface to the roller, and those cables are fully adjustable. You can go anything from 0 inches out of case all the way down to 10 foot out of case, and the real big benefit of that is that can all be done on site. So we ship the product with just 2 foot of exposed cable, but once you're on site, you can adjust that cable to anything that you need. So totally eliminating that ugly black drop that's really not very aesthetically pleasing, and eliminating the need to customize everything, the exact amount of black you need, special size drawings and products. This makes it completely standard, and you can do all of that adjustment in the field. The particular screen surface that we are focusing on here today is called Parallax Stratus 1.0, and this screen surface is a 1-gain ambient light rejecting screen surface. So designed particularly for medium to large environments. It's a surface that is available up to 16 foot seamless and does reject 80% of any ambient light. So Parallax Stratus is a great option for those medium to large venue spaces and pairs really well with the new Myriad product line. So if you'd like more information about Myriad or Parallax Stratus, please feel free to visit legrandav.com. Thank you.